Well, taxi companies are turning to a high-tech tool to compete with Uber. And as Judy Simpson reports, a test in Burlington is helping the ZabCab app go nationwide.
For the past year, Burlington has been a test market for a new way to hail a cab. There's an app for that. It's called ZabCab. The company is partnering with Done Right Taxi and other independent taxis.
Now passengers who need a taxi can use the ZabCab app and get a Done Right taxi or an independent taxi every single time they tap the app. Those who still call for a taxi can remain doing so. Since November, about 25% of Done Right's passengers have migrated over to the ZabCab app, and we expect that number to continue climbing throughout the coming months.
ZabCab says it gives licensed and regulated taxi drivers the technology they need to compete with ride-sharing companies like Uber. The city of Burlington has had concerns about Uber because their drivers are not regulated or licensed by the city. Last year, an Uber driver was accused of sexually assaulting a female passenger.
I'm really excited about ZabCab and their new initiatives.
Jane Nodell is the president of Burlington City Council.
It's vitally important that we have competition in the local market and that we preserve the traditional taxi industry and make it possible for them to compete. So this marries the new 21st century technology with the traditional cab industry that has served the public safety so well over the decades.
Downloading the app to your smartphone is free. Unlike Uber, which automatically charges a customer's card, ZabCab requires customers to pay their drivers directly. The drivers or cab companies pay ZabCab 99 cents for each completed trip. Ken Bouvier has been driving a cab for 18 years. He likes the new service.
As you see now, it says available. When a call comes popping up, all you got to do is hit where the available the button is. Then the next part that comes up on there is states where the call is being picked up.
And like Uber, passengers get information about just who's doing the driving.
They also receive a text stating the type of a car that's showing up, license plate number to the car, how long it'll be before the car actually gets to you. Along with the app, you can actually see that I'm coming towards you.
And now ZabCab is launching the service nationwide, marketing it as Taxi in a Box.
Taxi in a Box is a cloud-based dispatch software for small taxi companies that provide turnkey electronic dispatch software to cab companies. For the past 8 months, we've been piloting it with 11 Done Right drivers. It has been beta tested. It's working beautifully.
ZabCab now supports about 1/3 of all taxis in Burlington. It is also being tested in 2 cities in Florida as well. Judy Simpson, Channel 3 News, Burlington.
We reached out to get reaction from officials at Uber, but have not heard back.